Check out our new awning, the SlimShady. It's an easy way to bring shelter or shade to any situation. It goes on easy, it sets up in just a moment, and it stays looking great with a waterproof cover. Just set the mounting clamps on your bars. No worries if they're round, arrow, or something else. Tighten them down, and you're good to go. Setting up the SlimShady is easy. Unzip the waterproof cover, and unroll the shade. Pull out the side supports and twist them to tighten into position. Use the vertical supports to set up the SlimShady at the height you're looking for. Twist the pole to secure. Guy it out, and relax. When it's time to go, tuck your poles away, roll everything up, zip on the cover, and head on out. The SlimShady is great to have along for sunshine or shelter.